All right, it's like October, I don't know, 3rd or something, and we're on the river. Leaves are falling, so it's nice. And we're about to try and get in our last, maybe not our last, but possibly our last good river trip of the year before the water gets cold. So we shall see what happens. This is the stretch through here is pretty shallow at the moment, so I'm probably have to get out a lot. Jackson likely will be fine. Whoop. But see, I'm dragging the bottom already. In fact, a lot of the section we're running today is shallow. Find you a nice deep hole and jump in the water. There you go. Just don't hit a rock. And also, you should keep your boat. It's not that cold yet, but it will be soon. It will be soon. Go for it. Beaver logs. What is that? Oh. See? Sure that's the way to go? I feel like this is the way to go. Are you dragging? Are you dragging? Never mind. We're gonna go this way. He's making it that way, but... And he's probably going the right way, because I always go the wrong way. Right here is where we'll hang up. Yeah, he went the right way, we went the wrong way. Per typical. Gotta walk it. I'll be lucky if I don't get hung up on this mess. He scooted over it. I don't think I will, but we'll see. I know I don't want to go down on that right side though. Maybe. Maybe. Woo! We almost got wet. The water is cold. Not too bad. There's that bear cave you can see from, well, used to be able to see from the taco truck. All right, following Jackson up on another. It's a little fall here that's probably too shallow to navigate. Are you sure the right's the way to go? What? Yeah, that's what I thought. Pretty sure last time I went to the right and couldn't make it, and he went left and did make it. But he draws like half the water I do, so he's stuck already, see? so he can make it through a lot of stuff I cannot. The other thing about this is I don't see anywhere for me to go right here. Gotta go, straighten up, straighten up. Oh, I'm gonna get tipped. Totally gonna get tipped right here. We're stuck. You're getting filled up. I don't think I can go over that. Probably shouldn't try, and he's gonna need help. Flip it up so you don't have water going in your boat. Rule number 1 of kayaking, Jackson. Don't fill your boat with water. You don't want to do that. But since we have already done that, we gotta turn it over.
Probably lose the helmet in this process.
I'm gonna hand you this in, and you're gonna pull it up on that rock. If you can. There goes the helmet. Bubble thing. We'll get the helmet later. It's cool. Helmet's not going anywhere. I mean, it is going somewhere, but we'll find it. Well, Jackson thinks he's going to go down through this, which I would try, except that I don't think I got enough draft to go through that. But he wants to try it, so he's going to try it. There's no way. I thought you were going to go in right here. Okay. I don't know how you're going to make that turn, but okay. I thought you'd start right there, but you could probably make this turn if you hit this straight. This is where he wrecked earlier. He made that part. Now turn right. Alright. Let's see if we can make this. Get straight, get straight. Well, there you have it. His helmet's over there. He's over there. His boat's swamped again. And I gotta carry my boat down and go get him. So after like 15 minutes of dumping boats, we're down that fall, which is probably pretty fun when the water's up, which it is not right now. It's just too shallow. So now, oh, if I don't high center on this rock, we're gonna shoot on down the river. I think it's mostly smooth and shallow after this, but we'll see. Jackson's over here. Or was, I guess he just got in his boat harvesting persimmons from that tree by throwing rocks at them. Getting them down. I guess now he's over there eating persimmons. They're good though. I had one. Nice day, right? This is a great time of year for doing this. The leaves falling. It's cool but not cold. Just goofing around. Not a lot of bugs. Visibility's great in the water too. See if I can make it over this without having to get out. That's probably one we should just get out, but I'm lazy and I don't want to get out if I don't have to. And sometimes you don't have to. About got overturned on that mess though. Another spot we should probably get out, but we're gonna try not to. See, I'm already dragging on these boulders. Whew. I'm not just holding the paddle in front of the camera the whole time. It's gonna make for a nice video. Might make it through this. Hey, not bad. Anytime I don't have to stop and get out, I'm happy. I don't know how much more video time we will get as this camera is about to die. But we are cruising through here. Yeah, that's cool. Big spring coming down a sort of a sliding rock, slick rock type situation there. You gonna make it over that? You better go. I'm about to run into you. His boat is like a 300-pound capacity boat, and he weighs like, I don't know, 50 pounds or something. My boat's a 250 capacity boat. Get straight, get straight. Woo! Anyway, my boat's like a 250 capacity boat, and I weigh 240, so I'm like dragging on everything. That's my biggest problem. And he's floating in like an inch of water without a problem. Which is why my goal is to get back down to 50 pounds. It's so shallow right here, we'll probably both have to walk through. But maybe not, I don't know. This channel over here might be all right. Doubt it. He can probably float that. I don't think I can. I've left him, he's way back there. I don't know what he's doing. I'm hoping he comes and catches up. If not, do more dinner for me. Can't see it, but there's lots of nice rock shelters in here. We got out and looked at one that the roof was all blackened from campfires. Really nice one. This fire's probably going back thousands of years. Yeah, I might make it through this one after all. Or not. too bad, not too bad. I think we went right last time. So let's go left. There goes Jackson. I'm stuck on a rock. I'll turn on the camera so you can see me flip my boat trying to get off the rock. Uh-oh, I'm just kidding, but maybe not. I didn't really mean to flip my boat trying to get off the rock. There's a lot of water coming through right there though. Good night. Covered bridge. Pretty spot. One of my favorite spots on the river. We're almost out of battery, so I'm having to conserve when we film. So I better turn it back off. Alright. Go. Ahead. Ahead. You're confused. Where are you going? We're worn out because you had to portage so much of this. And it's been a lot slower ride than it was the first time. We're about here to the takeout at the RV park. Here in just a moment, I hope that we shall see Black Tacoma on our right. Man, look at that. Oh, there goes a big bass. There's baby Brendan and Mama waiting for us, and we made it. Whew. That was a rough one. Hey, Brendan. Hello. Is this crazy? Hey. Jackson made it. Well, that's the end of the adventure.